Hi, Jacob from Quick Elements here. Today I'm going to show you how to add your email to your iPhone. First, you'll want to go to the Quick Elements website. Then you're going to want to log in. Next, go to Settings. Click on Email Settings. And this page will show you all the information you need, including the hostname, ports, authentication methods, email address, and passwords. Next, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Mail. Click on it. Click on Accounts. Click on Add Account. Click on Other. Click on Add Mail Account. Type your name, then type your email, then type your password, which can be found on the email settings page in Quick Elements. Then press Next. Here, you'll type in the host name, which is mail.quickelements.com. Type in your username, also your email address. I'll go ahead and copy my email address and paste it in here. I'll also paste it into the outgoing mail server, and then I'll retype the host name for outgoing mail server, again, mail.quickelements.com. Then I'll enter my password in the incoming mail server and the outgoing mail server. Keep in mind, you can always copy and paste into these fields. Then I'll press Save. Now you might get an error at this point. If you do, under Accounts, click on Quick Elements, then click on Account, click on Advanced. Make sure SSL is toggled on and server port is set to 993. Go back to your account. Then, under Outgoing Mail Server, click on it. Click on Primary Server. Make sure Use SSL is checked and change the server port to 465 and press Done. Then you can open up your email, refresh, and you're done.